Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arcel, well known as the Ultimate Gardener, and today's exciting spawning video, I'm back at it again in Hialeah, Florida, to give you guys updates on the flower bed I fixed up for my friend's house here in Hialeah, Florida. And so very exciting things are happening in that flower bed. A few flowers are opening up that weren't open when I filmed the video last week, and so I wanted to show you guys an overview view on how everything is left, because I know once we left, a new layer of mulch was put in, as well as the flowers are blooming. And so I do want to show you guys that on how the finished product looks like, and show you guys the behind of the design I did and the whole reason why I did it. And so if you want to see the progress and you want to see the update of my friend's flower bed, please stay tuned with us. Ultimate Gardeners, we're here in my friend's front flower bed area. The flower I wanted to show you was this one, which when I was filming the video of cleaning this up, these weren't in bloom at all. No buds, no nothing. And now there's so many buds and flowers open. It's super pretty. I don't know the quite variety of this plant. I know it's some type of lily, but I don't quite recall the actual breed of it. And so one of them actually trespassed over here, which we're gonna leave it because it's pretty, and so it gives that accent thing. So starting with the design, so this was multiplied here and there, and so I'm not going to explain over there because the same thing. So the thing that makes it a design is that we have the foliage plants in the back, which is going to grow a bit taller. Then we have two accent plants, which is this croton and this hibiscus, as well as this orchid right there that's blooming beautifully. Then we have the showstopper, which is the gardenia, which is going to bloom white and super pretty. Then we have the annuals, which bring the pop of color everywhere right here, and that random lily. And so that brings the actual design together. Annuals bring designs together. Coming in this half circle, we have Amaryllis planted here, which are going to multiply. And then we have two offsprings of the rose I had for like 2 years now. Right there, they're doing pretty amazing. Then we have another half circle here with variegated agave in the middle as the showstopper plant. And then we have 4 Torina plants, aka wishbone flowers, which are the accent plants or annuals, how we could say, and 2 more vincas right there to tie it all off. Same design from this area and over there. Once again, we have the foliage plants in the back, 3 accent plants, the orchid, the hibiscus, the croton, and then we have the annuals that bring it all together. And then we have this double red hibiscus right here, which I did cut the tips off because it did have aphids, which is looking way better now. And then over here we have a bougainvillea that I would like to grow a bit big right here, so it could be a ball of flowers, and it could bring another accent plant right here. And so this is going to grow pretty darn good right there in that area. And then we have a fire and ice hibiscus, which if you could see, if I bring the camera closer, coloring already showing. And so once this is exposed to way more sun than it used to, the leaves are going to color up and look super pretty. So I'm super happy on how this area came out, and I can't wait to give you guys more future updates here and there, and show you guys how these annuals are gonna grow. So let me go ahead and wrap it up for you guys. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting spawning video. Once again, I show you guys a little update on how the flower bed looks in front of my friend's house. Everything is looking super amazing, and I'm so thrilled on how the ending results came out to be. And so I'm definitely going to give you guys more updates when we see more progress in growth rate and growth wise on the annuals and the plants, and to see if I could catch the perfect moment to come over when everything's flowering and everything's showcasing the best of the best performance. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spawning video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spawning video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.